Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something totally different. I actually went homeware shopping today. I went to 3 stores. One of them was Ikea, the other ones are German stores, but you can find equivalent stores in the US, for example, just Walmart or Target. And I just wanted to share with you what I got because I love these pieces. So if you want to know what I got, then keep on watching. Alright, so the first piece that is very obvious, and I've placed it behind me. I mean, it's maybe not the best setup because you can see the camera, but I got this beautiful mirror. I got it for the hallway. I got it at Hofmeister and I paid 79 euros and it was on clearance, so I really like it. It's like this antique gold frame and it's a full-length mirror, which I've actually not owned since I lived at home with my mother, so that's amazing. And yeah, like I said, it was on clearance and I very much like the vibe of it. I like more like rustic and kind of like royal looking mirrors, and the ones at Ikea were very boring in my opinion, so I got this one and I'm super happy with it and also super happy with the price. It's really solid, like it's also very heavy, so it feels really well made and I really like it. Alright, and then next was Ikea, and I actually went to Ikea to buy a lamp for the bedroom, and I also wanted to buy a mirror, but I got this one instead, which is fine. And I also wanted to pick up a couple of other things, which I actually didn't. I don't know, like I wanted to look for like some desks for our new office, but I couldn't find any that I really liked, so I didn't want to pressure buying it as something, but I found something that I've always wanted and I never had the place to put it anywhere, and now I have a bigger living room since we moved and I bought it. It's this basket. It is so beautiful. I love it. It's like a rattan basket and it's woven really like loosely, as you can see, and I'm just planning to put lots of blankets in there, so when guests come over they have like blankets to cuddle in, and I think that's such a cute idea, especially because I currently store my blankets underneath my bed. I have like a bed thing that opens. I don't know how that's called in English, but yeah, and there I store my blankets, and every time somebody comes over I give them the blanket I usually use, and then I don't have one because I'm too lazy to get them underneath my bed and things like that. So that's amazing, and it also looks really cute. And inside I bought some other things. So I bought these little plant pots. I've already have some of these. I store my makeup brushes in there. These were really cheap. Oh, I forgot to say, the basket was $29.23, and then these ones were $3.69 each. And then I also got some napkins. I always get these. These were 97 cents. And then I got, for the last thing, I got these rubber gloves for like doing the dishes and cleaning and things like that. These were $1.45. And that's actually everything that I got from Ikea. Surprisingly, I always get so much. I paid 40 euros in total. I'm super happy with that because I usually get way much, but this time I wasn't naughty, so I bought this. And then we went into Action, and like I said, it's kind of like comparable to like Target, Walmart, Ross, maybe like these kinds of stores where you can find little knickknacks of like everything, like homeware, decor, like school supplies, everything. And I bought loads of things. I went crazy. I bought this whole bag and it cost me 21 euros 70. So let's dive into the things that I got. So the first one, I actually got another mirror. It's like with bamboo. Here you can see the camera. It's like with bamboo on the outside, and I thought this would look really nice on my little cabinet that I have in the bedroom because I store my jewelry on there and I don't have a mirror there, and sometimes I'm just like put on jewelry and then I have to go into the bathroom to look into the mirror, so I thought it would be nice to have a mirror there. This one was actually, it was so cheap. I can't really find it at the moment. Did he forget? Oh no, it was €4.99, so that was amazing. And then I got, this is so random guys, I got like a shower head. It has 5 different settings and like a shower hose. So this one was like $5 and this one was like $3, because I told you we moved and it's a rental and I don't want to spend too much on like appliances like that. So I just got like really cheap ones because they work, and I don't mind that kind of stuff anyway. Like, I'd rather spend my money on clothes and things like that. So I just bought these because I thought they come in handy and you can like exchange them once in a while, and yeah, I really much like the price. And then I got some mixing bowls because I actually don't have any. This is like a pink, a turquoise, and like a greeny kind of color on the inside, and this comes really handy because I actually like baking. Like, I started enjoying baking. I didn't like doing it before, but now I do. So these ones were actually $1.94. It's crazy how cheap this store is. And then I got this thingy, which I thought was really cute. It's just like some like letters, and then you have like a little ribbon, and then you can, like, I thought I would spell out Merry and then heart and then Christmas, and then put it somewhere because I thought it was cute. And this one was really cheap as well. This one was $2.55, so I thought you couldn't go wrong, and you can do it with like happy birthday, or spend out like Mr. and Mrs. or whatever, like hello spring, whatever like season it is. And I thought that was really cute, so I got it. And yeah, you can use it like loads of different ways and spell out different things once in a while, so I thought that was good. And then I have these little refill thingies for my little Swiffer, like the duster thing. So I got these were like €1 or something like that. And then I got this little jar, and then it has like a wooden lid, and you can store like miscellaneous things in the kitchen. So maybe like sugar, or maybe that's a little big for sugar, but coffee or something like that. I thought it was cute, and I like these kinds of things, and I like to display my kitchen items in nice little jars because I just think it looks cuter. So I got that one. It was $1.99. And then I got some Tipex. I don't know how. Oh, glue tape roller. Great, I got something wrong. Okay, I actually didn't want glue tape roller. I actually wanted tip over paper to be glued. Well, okay. It's like a double adhesive. Okay, I actually wanted these whitening little rolls. Get this instead. Okay, that was a fail, but maybe it comes in handy, and it wasn't expensive either. And then the last thing, I got these calligraphy, so like little pretty pens in rose gold to like write like, or to do lettering with, because I really want to try it out, and I want to get like a new planner and then do some lettering in my planner. So I thought that was really cool, and these were like $1.50 as well. So that was everything that I bought. I hope this was interesting. I thought I would try something new, and I was really excited about all of my things. In total, I think I spent like €140, which is amazing for everything that I got, and including the mirror. So yeah, if you want to see more kind of like maybe also grocery hauls, because I know that like almost 50% of my viewers are American, maybe you're curious about like how much groceries are in Germany, because we're a lot cheaper actually than in the US. So maybe you're interested in that, or like some video like that. If you have any video ideas for me other than like fashion and bag related, then please leave them down below. And if you like this video, or if you like the format, then please give it a thumbs up so I know that I can make more of these. And other than that, I will see you for my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.